Lighthouses, silent guardians of the seas, standing as symbols of hope and safety. Their story spans thousands of years, intertwined with humanity's quest to navigate the vast and treacherous oceans. The history of lighthouses begins with the ancient world. The Lighthouse of Alexandria, one of the seven wonders of the ancient world, was built around 280 BC on the island of Pharos. Standing over 330 feet tall, it used fire at night and polished bronze mirrors during the day to guide sailors safely to the port. In those times, navigation was perilous. Natural landmarks like cliffs or mountain peaks were often used as beacons, and fires were lit on hilltops to warn of hidden reefs. During the Middle Ages, as trade expanded, the need for reliable navigational aids grew. Primitive lighthouses, often simple towers with wood or coal fires, appeared along important trade routes. These early structures lacked the sophistication of their ancient predecessors but laid the groundwork for modern designs. These beacons weren't just used for navigation, they often doubled as defense systems, warning coastal towns of incoming invasions. By the Renaissance, advancements in architecture and engineering revolutionized lighthouses. In the 16th century, the Eddystone Lighthouse was constructed off the coast of England. Its success marked the beginning of a new era of safer maritime travel. The 18th and 19th centuries saw the development of the Fresnel lens, a groundbreaking invention that magnified light and allowed it to travel vast distances. This innovation transformed lighthouses into powerful beacons visible for miles. By the 19th century, lighthouses dotted coastlines across the globe. Each was uniquely designed to withstand local weather conditions, from towering brick structures to iron towers built to endure harsh storms. Lighthouse keepers played a critical role, maintaining the lights through dangerous storms and long, lonely nights. Their dedication ensured the safety of countless sailors. Today, most lighthouses are automated, operated remotely or powered by solar energy. While fewer ships rely solely on them due to advanced GPS technology, lighthouses remain iconic landmarks and backups for navigation. Many lighthouses have been preserved as cultural heritage sites, serving as reminders of the vital role in maritime history and as symbols of human ingenuity. Lighthouses have guided sailors, saved lives, and stood as enduring symbols of safety for millennia. Their story is not just about technology but also about human resilience and the pursuit of progress. From ancient flames to modern beacons, the history of lighthouses reminds us of humanity's connection to the sea and the lengths we've gone to ensure safe passage.